unicorns, welcome to the Z World. In this video I'm taking a makeup challenge, and that is one dip makeup challenge. So let's play with the colors. One dip of foundation, let's apply it onto my hand. One dip of foundation for the hand is enough. One dip challenge should not apply on the eyebrow hair, right? Because I cannot draw hair with just one glide. But to fill in the eyebrows, I will dip my brush only once in the eyeshadow. I'm little worried, but let's do it. Dip the brush only once in the gel eyeliner and try to draw the eyelashes. Not bad. What do you guys think about this one dip makeup challenge? Let me know in the comment section below how I did it. I will create this eye look onto my actual eye. If you wanna check that out, so follow me on my socials. I will link them in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification next to it and share this video with your friends and everyone else. See you next time next week on Thursday. Thanks for watching.